Visionize AI, the new AI-driven visual content creator, positioned as a Canva killer and the ultimate daddy of all AI models. Welcome back to MSM Zone. Today, we're diving into Visionize AI, the latest, hottest tool in the world of AI-driven design. They're calling it the Canva killer and the daddy of all AI models. So I had to check it out and see if it lives up to the hype. What is Visionize AI? Visionize AI is an innovative platform that allows anyone, from total beginners to design pros, to create high-quality visuals in just a few clicks. With Visionize, you can generate images, logos, sketches, and even videos, all in 4K HD quality, without any prior design experience. It's meant to be an all-in-one tool for visual content creation, combining ease and efficiency with AI technology. So how easy is it to actually use Visionize AI? Here's a quick rundown. You log in, enter keywords, or use voice commands, and boom, Visionize generates the visuals for you. Want an eye-catching social media post, a logo for a new project, or even a short video? Visionize has got you covered. The interface is really intuitive, so it's perfect for people who may not be comfortable with more complex design software. Now, let's talk about the features. Visionize AI comes loaded with a ton of them. Here are some of the standouts. AI-powered graphics image generation. Generate high-quality images instantly with the power of AI too. Video generation. Create videos without recording or editing, which is great for marketers who want quick, polished content. Inpainting, colorization, and denoising. These tools let you modify images, add color, and clean up visuals with ease for noise removal and synthesis capabilities. For refined, clear images. For a million-plus active marketplace. Visionize even has a marketplace where you can sell your creations to a large buyer base. 6. Mobile compatibility. Use Visionize AI on the go so you can design wherever you are. So what's the verdict? Let's break down the pros and cons. So as a pros found comprehensive features for all your visual needs in one place. No recurring costs, it's a one-time fee. Mobile-friendly, so you can create on your phone or tablet. It's designed for all levels from beginners to experts. Cons. Limited licenses are available, so if you're interested, you may want to act fast. There's talk of a potential monthly subscription model, so get in now if you want to avoid future fees. If you buy Visionize AI today, there are some sweet bonuses included. Exclusive special training, WOW's worth $997. In-depth tutorials to make the most out of Visionize. 200+ mascot cartoon characters, worth $247. Perfect for adding personality to your projects. Infographic Black Book, worth $367. Step up your infographic game with proven tips and tricks. Video Marketing Graphics Pack, worth $327. Boosts the visual appeal of your video content. Let's tackle some common questions people have about Visionize AI. Do you need prior experience? Nope, it's designed to be user-friendly for beginners. Are there monthly fees? Not right now. Just a one-time payment, although they might add a subscription later. Can you make money with it? Yes. Many users have reported getting their first sale within a day. Visionize even offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied, plus a bundle of premium software. So is Visionize AI the Canva killer? Well, with its powerful features, user-friendly interface, and one-time fee, it certainly seems to have the potential. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or just someone who loves creating, this could be a game-changer in visual content. If you're ready to give it a try, click the link below to secure your access to Visionize AI. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comments if you think this could replace your current design tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest tools in tech.